Chun.
Captain? Yeah, Vice Mayor. Maganda na yung bangko. Maupo kayo, please. Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our regular command conference. And first things first, I would like to thank each and every one of you on behalf of the people of Manila, keeping bad continue to do so because that is the commitment of the city government na sa Maynila, in our own little way, makapagbigay tayo ng isang maaliwalas at panatag na pamumuhay sa ating lungsod. Despite of economic challenges, medyo naitatawid natin pare-pareho. And that's the most important part. Our organization, as like City of Manila, it's not a perfect organization, but every single day when we wake up, kailangan ang North Star natin is public service. But for now, I am through the leadership of General Santiago and the Vice Mayor here, and the people of Manila would like to thank each and every one of you with regard to your sacrifices, extra mile effort in your respective AOR or offices. Now, with that, tomorrow we were informed through public information that we gathered some information given to us that there will be a public demonstration in Manila again. Now, the policy, the continuing policy of the city, in areas that requires permit, they must seek permit. Sa Manila, welcome sila. Hindi ko naman pare pagdamot to sa malayang pamamahayag ng saloobin ng mamamayan. Kaya lang yung karapatang pamamahayag na yan, may kaakibat na responsibilidad. Dumako sila rito ng malinis, umalis silang malinis. Dumako sila rito mapayapa, makaalis din silang mapayapa. So if areas that they wanted to occupy and express themselves needs permit, they must seek permit. In the absence of such, hindi naman natin kinukonsinti yun. But in the areas that are allowed by law, by operation of law, nandiyan dyan naman, may batas naman dyan, na isinasaad na may mga areas or what you call the freedom part, ay malaya sila. They need not to seek permission from the city government. But the same policy will be applied. Okay, gusto natin mapayapa, maayos, malinis. And kasi pag may nanggugulo, kung karapatan nilang maglabas ng saloobin, okay naman. Pero karapatan din ng mga taga Maynila na mapayapa at maayos na pamayanan. Naninira ng gamit ng pamahalaan, hindi naman po pwede yun. May gobyerno sa amin. And we've experienced both. No? May magulo, may mabuti. Pareho na natin na-experience. But we treat the same. So the direction and the policy is still the same. Ang tolerance level natin, dalhin natin hanggang Mars. Lawakan natin. Hanggat maaari. Ganun naman tayo. We respect their rights. At the same time, they must respect also our obligation. Because you, men and women, uniformed personnel, and we, through the mandate given to us by the people, we must give what is due to the community. Especially, I think some of you knows this also. I am obligated, and it is my responsibility to implement Section 16 of the Local Government Code, or what you call, mas commonly known as the General Welfare Clause. No? With that, tayo bukas, alalayan natin sila. Doon pa rin. Kung ano ang ginagawa natin sa iba, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. May mga area lang na pwede mapakiusapan sila na while it is Freedom Park, pag nag-i-spill sila, baka pwede naman mapakisuyuan sila na umusog ng kaunti, lalo na kung ito ay daanan na ng mga sasakyan. Kasi karapatan din ng ibang tao na makapamuhay tumungo sa kanilang mga gawain o hanap buhay. Ang kalsada naman ay para sa lahat, hindi para sa ilan. We will extend also what we have extended in the past since July 1 of 2025 on the policy with regard to the policy of the city. We will send MDRRMO, we will send MTPB, we will send our doctors and our medical team, and all other available resources by the city government. Tubig, yun dati na natin ginagawa, wala man tayong pinipili. Basta yun ang policy natin. Alam na ni General Santiago, pinaalam ko rin lamang din sa inyo. Mataas ang tolerance natin. Pero pag may nanggulo, call tayo. Ganun lang lagi tayo. I think by this time, alam nyo naman yung level na pwedeng i-tolerate at hindi na ito. Binabasag na yung stoplight. Binabasag na yung ATM. Binabasag na yung ATM. Nambabasag na ng mga establishment. Hindi naman bagay yun. Hindi dapat yung tularan. So, high tolerance, we are on alert, we're gonna do our job. They are welcome to do and express themselves here in the Freedom Park, because as far as the information is concerned, we were told that they're going to merge in Liwasang Bonifacio. Other areas, they need permit. So, ano na lang to? It's like riding a bicycle. Repeat performance lang. But the last time, I would like to congratulate the leadership of General Santiago and those people who are involved in the Manila Police District to keep the peace and order situation in a very good level. So, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Okay. Now, may report kayo? Christian. Anong tayong balita bukas? Batang Amerika to bukas. Awardee ang Maynila.
Magandang umaga po, Yorme and Vice po, and sa atin pong MP, Sir General Santiago. For weather po for tomorrow, umina po ang bagyo po nating Inday. At from previous po na kagabi po bago tayo matulog, super typhoon po siya. Pero ngayon po ay isa na lamang po siyang typhoon. At taglay pa rin po nito ang lakas ng hangin po, 165 kilometers pa rin po. Malakas-lakas pa rin po. Pero good news po for the city of Manila, hindi man po tayo direct nang maapektuhan po ng bagyo.
Bad news sa estudyante.
Yun po. Pero base po sa ating pong satellite images, released din po by 11:30 AM this morning lang po, ay hahatakin po nito ang hanging habagat na pwede pong magdala po ng pag-ulan bukas po dito sa lungsod. Hanggang Sunday na po yan. So bukas po ng afternoon, expect po natin na
may pag-ulan.
May mga pag-ulan po bukas. At peak po natin will be on Saturday until Sunday po yan. So yun po, yung alis po natin doon, may makaka-take off naman po tayo. At
napakasalbahe nito.
ang atin pong signal number po, possible po ay Signal number 3 po yan sa extreme northern Luzon due to proximity naman po. So for the city of Manila naman po, thunderstorms in the afternoon po will be experienced today. So mataas po ang chance ng ulan natin this afternoon. Pero ito pong hapon po natin hanggang alas 2 po, expect po natin na mataas ang ating heat index. So yung heat index po natin will reach probably 40 degrees pa rin po bagamat po doon sa mismong ano po sa pagiging cloudy po natin. So yun po for the weather report po.
Okay. Then, meron ba kayo report? Nagre-report kayo? Okay.